Hello guys, so today we are here to solve this challenge problem, sort array by parity. In this, we are given an integer array nums and we have to move all the even integers at the beginning of the array and all the odd integers will be at the end of this array. So if you see, for example, if this array 3, 1, 2, 4, so 3 and 1 both are odd integers and 2 and 4 both are even integers. So what does it mean to sort by the array by parity is that all the even integers will be coming at the front. So they'll be coming at the front and all the odd integers will be coming at the back. So they'll be coming at the later half. So first half will be even integers and then all the odd integers will be coming. How can we do this problem? So to me, the most simplest approach is like this. List of integer, even integer is equal to new array list. Okay. And then list of okay, and then for and I colon nums. So if I percent 2 is equal to 0, we will add them in the even integer dot add I else odd integer dot add of I, and then for int I is equal to 0. Let's do it like this. So nums of I is equal to nums of I is equal to nums of I is equal to even integer dot get of I else even integer dot size plus integer dot get of I. Okay. Okay, and then what we will do? For int j is equal to 0, j is less than odd integer dot size plus I plus j. Then nums of j plus I is equal to odd integer dot get of j, like this, and then we'll do nums. So here we have to put the semicolon. So this is the most simplest way to solve this problem. Let me submit it, and so we are sure that this is working fine. So we are using this additional memory space. You see, memory is very, not very good because we are creating two additional lists, and these two additional lists are taking extra memory. Can we do without this? Definitely we can do that. So what do we need to do? So here we can use one logic, int I is equal to 0 while I less than nums dot length, while I less than nums dot length, and then we'll have to define one value j is equal to I. Okay, and what we are going to do, we are going to do nums of j minus 1% 2 is equal to 1, and nums of j percent 2 is equal to 0. So the value at jth index is an even number, but the value previous to it is an odd number. So if this is the case, what we have to do, we will be swapping them. We'll be swapping the value at the j minus 1 and jth position. Okay, and then we'll be decrementing this j. But you see, there is one condition we have to note here. If j becomes 0, then j minus 1 will be minus 1. So at that point, we'll be getting an array index bound at out of bound exception. So to avoid that, to make it more secure, we have to put one condition beforehand. So with this, we are safe and secure. And then we will do plus plus I like this. Plus plus I we will do. And then return nums like this. We will do run. Oh, so we have to write this swap function. Private void swap and array nums and I and j nums I nums I nums j. So we have all the values, and then nums j is going to take the temp. Perfect. Now I'll run this. Perfect. Submit it. So this is also working fine. See, now memory is better, but the speed has gone down. Why it has gone down? Because of this two loops. So one loop is within the other loop. So that is what, giving us time complexity of big O of n square. Can we avoid this? I think we can avoid this. How can we avoid this? So I think we'll have to remove all this and then take, one pointer to be from nums dot length minus 1. Okay, and then while I less than j, now again, while I less than j and nums of I, percent 2 is equal to 0. So this is the front part. So it can go plus plus I. While I less than j and nums of j percent 2 is equal to 1 minus minus j like this. And then if I less than j, then in that case swap of nums I j and then plus plus I minus minus j like this. So if we'll run it. Perfect. Perfect. So this is the best solution that we can have. See, it's beating all other solutions. And let me know if you have any doubts. I'll clarify that. So this is, see, it may look like, there are two nested loops in this, but the time complexity even then is big O of n. It's not big O of n square. Why? Because we are using two pointers and one pointer is pointing at the first end and the other pointer is holding the other end of the array. And then these pointers are acting on its own and we are doing this process. So let me know if there is any doubt. I'll try to clarify them. Thanks for watching.